Welcome to the world of savings with Discount Club. This club offers an expansive platform designed to help you save money. Gain access to great discount deals across various product categories, such as groceries, clothing, electronics, and much more. By being a part of the Discount Club, you'd be making a smart choice towards more efficient and economical shopping. It paves the way to an array of excellent deals that are sure to delight the savvy spender in you. Joining Discount Club is a straightforward process. It all starts with you creating an account. After providing necessary information, you'll be led to a selection of membership plans. Depending upon your shopping habits and needs, you can choose the one that suits you best. The right plan ensures the best value out of Discount Club. So, take everything into account, from the frequency of your shopping to the types of items you purchase. Your gateway to amazing discounts is the Discount Club dashboard, designed with simplicity and user-friendliness in mind. It's where you can search for retailers, see your savings, and manage your account. The dashboard features numerous tools to help streamline your shopping experience. Here, finding a deal or reviewing your account status is just a click away. Constant ease of use coupled with rich features highlights the exceptional design of the Discount Club dashboard. Discovering discounts on Discount Club is easy and efficient. It's structured to let you sift through an array of products and services to find the best deals. All you need to do is enter a keyword in the search bar or browse through categories to tailor your search. With this, you land on pages overflowing with potential savings. Remember, the right strategy and persistence can swiftly lead you to unbeatable deals. Accelerating your savings with Discount Club requires insight and strategy. Be aware of high discount periods, such as seasonal sales or special days, and prepare your shopping list accordingly. Regularly check your dashboard for newly added discounts. In addition, consider our one-stop deals that offer value on multiple items together. Understanding your spending habits and aligning them with Discount Club offerings will lead to maximum saving opportunities.